Nourishing your strands can be as simple as a rinse with wonderful magic potions you can easily make in your kitchen. We're sharing some great natural hair rinse recipes to give you healthy, lustrous hair. Let's get into it. Beer rinse. Hey there, beer lover! Did you know that using beer as a hair rinse can give your locks a little extra oomph? That's right, the hops in beer are full of proteins and B vitamins, which can help to nourish and strengthen your hair. Plus, the malt and barley in beer can help to moisturize your scalp and give your hair some shine. The yeast in beer can give your hair extra body and plump it up, giving you shiny, voluminous hair. It can even be used as a conditioner. So go ahead, crack open a cold one and let it sit for a while for it to become flat, usually overnight. Pour it over your head after shampooing. A great tip is to detangle your hair before using the rinse to ensure the hair rinse will pass through all of your strands. Stay tuned to learn more about a new detangler that will remove your tangles while preventing hair from damage. After leaving the beer in your hair for about 15 minutes, make sure to rinse it out thoroughly with cool water because nobody wants a beer-scented mane. You can use this rinse once a week for best results. Cheers! Rice water rinse. Making boiled rice for dinner? After taking out the cooked rice, don't dump out the water you cooked it in. Rice water as a hair rinse can give your locks a little extra TLC. Rice water is full of nutrients like proteins, vitamins, and minerals, which can help to nourish your hair and strengthen your strands. Proteins are the building blocks of hair, and they will help to strengthen and repair hair. Vitamin B and E in rice water will help to nourish and protect the hair and scalp and may promote hair growth, while vitamin C is important for collagen production, which can help to keep the hair and scalp healthy. Rice water contains a variety of minerals, including zinc, selenium, and magnesium, which can help to nourish and strengthen the hair and scalp. It is also known to have antioxidant properties to help protect the hair from damage. Make sure you cool down the rice water before pouring it on your hair after washing with shampoo and conditioner. Leave it in for 20 minutes before rinsing it out. You can use this hair rinse once a month, so go ahead, eat some rice, and give your hair some love. You'll be amazed at the results. Bon appetit! Enjoying these tips? Hit that like button. YouTube will spread it to more people to help them with their hair issues, all thanks to you. Coconut water rinse. Aloha, coconut enthusiast! Using coconut water as a hair rinse can give your locks a tropical treat. Coconut water is full of nutrients like amino acids, vitamins, and minerals, which can help to greatly moisturize and strengthen your strands and prevent breakage. This hair rinse will help hydrate your strands and make them more manageable. And another plus, it's super refreshing and has a lovely light scent that will transport you straight to the beach. So crack open a coconut and take out 1 cup of its water, or just grab a carton from the store. Just make sure it's unsweetened and opt for organic as much as possible. Pour it over your head after washing with shampoo and conditioner and let this rinse sit in your hair for about 20 minutes before rinsing it out. You can even use this hair rinse after every wash. Your hair will love it. Mahalo! Baking soda rinse. If you're looking for a hair rinse to give your locks a little extra cleanse, you don't have to look further than your trusty box of baking soda. Baking soda is a natural cleanser that will help to remove excess oil, buildup of products and pollutant, and clarify the hair and scalp. It also balances the pH levels of your scalp and controls oil production, which boosts your scalp health. It's super easy to make. Just mix half a cup of baking soda with 1 cup of lukewarm water. Pour it into your hair after shampooing and conditioner and leave it in for about 5 minutes before rinsing it off. This hair rinse can even be used instead of your shampoo that day. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. Your hair will be as clean as a whistle in no time. You should use this hair rinse only occasionally, like once a month, since it is more towards the higher pH side. We've talked about scalp pH levels in a previous video, so head on over to it after this one. Want to keep up with all these best tips to achieve gorgeous healthy hair? Yeah, you need to subscribe and turn on that notification bell. Epsom Salt Rinse. Epsom salt is a naturally occurring mineral that is rich in minerals like magnesium and sulfate, which are important for maintaining healthy hair and skin. An Epsom salt hair rinse can help to add volume, fight frizz, and provide the same texture effects to your strands as sea salt hairsprays. The magnesium in Epsom salt is an essential mineral that plays a number of important roles in the body. It helps to promote blood flow to the scalp, which improves nutrient delivery to your hair follicles and encourages healthy hair growth. Magnesium has anti-inflammatory properties which may help to reduce inflammation on the scalp and improve the overall health of the hair and scalp. Magnesium and sulfate also play an important role for the production of keratin, which is the protein that makes up the hair. This can help strengthen and repair damaged hair, reduce breakage, improve the condition of the scalp, and promote healthy hair growth. This rinse can help to detangle the hair, making it easier to comb or brush. If you still find yourself all tangled up, you'll be amazed by the results of TangleGenie, an amazing detangler that gently detangles your hair while saving it from too much damage. Its unique 360-degree bristle design removes the most stubborn knots without worrying about tugging or pulling of the hair. You can use it in dry or damp hair. Give it a try for tangle-free and healthy-looking hair. To use Epsom salt as a hair rinse, simply add 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt in 1 cup of warm water and stir until the salt is completely dissolved. Pour it over your head after shampooing and conditioning and let it sit for 20 minutes before rinsing it out. You can do this once a week to get desired results. Since Epsom salts are great to be used as bath salts as well, instead of a hair rinse, you can simply take a nice long bath in it, ensuring you dip your hair in the bath water. Happy soaking! What about leave-in hair rinses? Here's a few you can try. Aloe Vera Rinse. Aloe vera has enzymes which repair the dead skin cells of the scalp, help you get rid of scalp itchiness, and stimulate hair growth. It also conditions your hair, leaving it soft, smooth, and shiny. It will also act as a sun and heat protectant, so if you have dull, dry, damaged hair and scalp, this ingredient can especially benefit you. To make this rinse, use 2 tablespoons of freshly extracted aloe vera gel and mix it in 2 cups of water. Pour it over your head after washing with shampoo and conditioner. You don't have to rinse your hair with water again after this. Lemon rinse. Citric acid is the star ingredient of lemon. It not only gives your hair the shine and luster you desire, but also improves the health of your scalp by absorbing excess oil. It also brightens blonde hair and gives a natural sun-kissed highlight effect in darker hair shades. To prepare this hair rinse, simply mix 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice in 1 cup water and pour it over your hair after shampoo and conditioning. You can simply step out of the shower after this. Apple cider vinegar rinse. We've talked about this one in previous videos because it's in our top favorite hair rinses. Just mix 1 tablespoon of organic apple cider vinegar with 4 tablespoons of clean filtered water. Do you know any more amazing and interesting DIY hair rinse recipes that worked wonders for you? Drop it in the comments below so everyone can benefit from it. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel for more amazing tips to keep your hair the healthiest. Thanks for watching.